Welcome to Tonex official YouTube channel. Today, I will introduce you with scope of work, SOW, some people call it. Tonex training workshop. Learn developing scope of work projects from the scratch.
Scope of Work Training Workshop provides the participants with key concepts, approaches, tools, and configuration of the scope of work.
A well-written scope of work sets the expectations for the project, including the responsibilities, milestones, and technical details required to complete the job. You may ask why scope of work needed. Because scope of work defines the project scope, what tasks the project team is expected to accomplish, and, just as importantly, what is not part of the project.
In this 2 days training course, Tonex will help you learn best practices, analyze case studies, and recognize the impact your work has on cost, schedule, and quality. You will leave equipped with the ability to write a scope of work that reflects actual requirements, elicits competitive proposals, and guides contractor performance.
I think you got a question. Which professionals should learn scope of work skill, right? Okay, who should attend? Professionals like program managers, project analysts, project coordinators, leaders, sponsors, project team members, senior project managers, system engineers, and team leaders are recommended to enroll to this course.
Scope of work, Tonex training format, pre-work assignment, lecture, discussion, videos, exercises, independent readings and assessments.
Hey wait, this is not over. NASA is here. This training got 2 valuable workshops. At day 1, you will learn about fundamentals of the scope of work. Day 2, you will learn developing a scope of work from scratch. Developing a scope of work for a creative NASA project. Oh ho! Design and build a space shuttle carrying human to the Mars.
Request more information. Sign up for this training. Please visit Tonex training website, www.tonex.com. Thanks for being with Tonex.
Thanks for watching this video.